Existing cotton and yarn bandages do not provide ventilation or protection against bacteria. Special attention must be paid to skin protection and contact with water when used with medical casts. The Neal Under-Pad is a tubular bandage developed by BL Tech Company Limited with water-repellent properties for orthopedic use. The Neal Under-Pad provides excellent ventilation, drains moisture, keeping skin dry, and acts as a buffer against further injury. The Neal Under-Pad is simple to use when applying a cast. The Neal Under-Pad is ideal in the high humidity of summer. Patients are able to shower and shave without fear of offensive odor or sores that may result when using other bandages. The Neal Under-Pad is a laminated fluoride mesh that provides excellent ventilation and minimizes offensive odor and sores by repelling moisture and oil. The Neal Under-Pad polypropylene polymers contain silver particles that have excellent antibacterial properties and help reduce skin irritation caused by bacterial infection. The Neal Under-Pad acts as an excellent shock absorber by providing a thick, highly elastic mesh woven buffer between the skin and casting tape. The Neal Under-Pad will remain in place even under heavy impact. Existing procedures require doctors to apply a layer of cotton yarn and another layer of cotton bandage before the cast can be applied to the patient. The Neal Under-Pad does away with this inconvenience by incorporating two overlapping layers in a single bandage. One, cut the Neal Under-Pad to the required length. 2. Tightly apply the Neal Under-Pad to the affected part. 3. Tidy the applied Neal Under-Pad by rolling each end. 4. Apply the wet casting tape to the Neal Under-Pad, making sure there are no gaps.